going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at the EK Waterblocks booth here at Computex 2018, and I have a few new products to show you guys. First of all, they're pastal coolants. This is the EK cryofuel solid, and you can see they have a range of colors here that they've brought out. Now we've done some talking with EK Waterblocks, and as you can see, there is no flow in all of this liquid. This has been sitting here for over a week, and they've done a year of testing. The idea behind this was to try and bring out some pastels which don't have breakout and don't have separation from the liquid itself. So as you can see, these have been sitting here for over a week, and you can see that there's no fallout of color, which means users are not going to have any issues with their coolant if they do use this EK pastal. Now, of course, it is required that you do clean out your system if it is brand new or if it has been used in the past, because obviously different chemical reactions can occur, but that's the same with all liquids. So it's heavily recommended cleaning out your system first. But as you can see, there is no fallout in the pastal. It's still nice and vibrant, so it's looking really nice, especially after a week of sitting here. So EK Waterblocks has been in collaboration with ENQUIRES, and they've created a really cool compact PC. It has two radiators in there, a 240 and a 120mm, cooling a GTX 1080 Ti in this compact system. Here's the water blocks here, and you can see that there's a nice subtle ENQUIRES logo on top of that with the EK logo on it as well. Really nice, compact and clean design. Of course, they still have all of their RGB, and there is a laser etched ENQUIRES logo on top of the CPU water block as well. So EK Waterblocks have some new fans coming out. These ones feel premium. It is exactly the same as their EK Vata fans, good static pressure, and they were telling me that because the edge bits are made of rubber, it makes for a nice tight seal on the radiator, so it creates a bit more airflow going through the radiators, which means more cooling. Now, these are part of the EK Vata line, and you can see that they all have RGB, and of course we do have some addressable RGB in the new fans as well. They come with a really nice fin design, and I'm sure we're going to be seeing these on the market very shortly. Now, EK have something very special at their booth this time. Some wooden looking water blocks. You can see that these are covers, and the idea behind this is they want to give users a different experience, a different aesthetic. They're also working on stone and marble water blocks as well. They want users to tell them exactly what you want. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments. You can see that the wood makes for a really nice aesthetic. They've got the GPU water block as well, and they are plates over the top of the water block, so they're not actually part of the water block. It's more for the aesthetic. And the good thing about these is they've actually left room for expandability, because, as you know, wood is a live material, so we need to leave that room so that it can expand and contract as temperatures change throughout the system. Some really nice looking concepts here, and these will be great to see on the market, especially for those enthusiasts who like the wooden feel and the premium feel that this does give off. You can see we do have a demo system right here, which is displaying a GTX 1080 Ti with all of the wooden components installed. So EK Waterblocks have been showing us some of their new designed water blocks. As you can see here, these are pretty similar, but they have redesigned the edges to give it a nice appeal to the user. It's not sharp anymore. They've put a nice gradient on there, but apart from that, the flow of the GPU water blocks are pretty much the same, but you can see that their back plates now have a bit of etching down there, so they can create different designs. They're trying to reach out to the user to create something unique that the user wants. Perhaps soon they're going to be accepting different designs to see what they can do. They've got lots of machinery in their warehouse which is capable of creating some pretty awesome stuff. So EK Waterblocks have released their new Velocity range of CPU water blocks. As you can see there, a few subtle differences. They've redesigned the way that the edge is, as I said with the GPU water blocks over there as well. Gives it a nice appeal, a different approach, and they've also taken the insert out, the rubber insert that used to be on the inside, and redesigned the channels a lot more of a cleaner aesthetic, in my opinion. And you can see there that they have made the EK logo actually come in RGB. Now, the good thing about this is if they turn the RGB off, the logo actually still looks like metal. It's got a subtle transparent feel to it, so it's not too much in your face, so you've got all of that controllability over all of this design. And on the motherboard itself, you can see that the plate expands, so it hides a lot of the mounting bracket as well. Another approach that EK have taken is direct CPU die cooling. Now you can get these plates or water blocks themselves from EK water blocks. You can replace your own cooling plate underneath, and this fits directly onto the CPU die. For those of you who have de-lidded CPUs, this would be a great option, certainly enhance that cooling potential. So EK water blocks have their range of fluid gaming products here. The idea behind this is to give users the experience of water cooling, but at a cheap price. All of these are made of aluminum, and the benefit of having all of this made of aluminum is you don't have to worry about mixing metals, and you're getting this for the cheap price. We have a variety of products right here, and you can see that EK water blocks are trying to offer users different range of designs. You can see here we've got laser etching on the water block, and we have all of these designs right here. Here's an awesome example here of the fluid gaming in action. They're actually deciding to release pre-built PCs for users to upgrade as they feel comfortable with getting into liquid cooling. All these products are aluminum, you can see as an example, and there's no corrosion or anything happening because all of the products in the system are actually made of aluminum themselves. So as I said before, EK water blocks are trying to offer users different variety in the way that their water blocks look, and that water block over there, you can see that it takes on the same pattern as the PC case itself. Now EK water blocks are also going to be offering an upgrade solution. You can put some hard tubing in there in the future. Here we have one of the custom PCs featuring EK water blocks products in an in-win case, and you can see this custom PC looking really nice and clean. And on the back of the graphics cards, we do have their UV printed designs on the back, which EK want to offer to the public. So down below in the comments, let us know if you guys want to see something like this come onto the market. Certainly a brilliant idea and design.
Are you wanting to take your video editing or heavy multi-threaded tasks to the next level? Well, look no further than the Intel flagship Core i9-7980XE processor. With 18 cores and 36 threads, your rendering times will look non-existent. For more information and a wide range of products, visit mwave.com.au or check the link in the description below.